Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. I'm Bruce Schwartz. Thanks for the support, everyone. Thanks for subscribing, the comments, for sharing, and all the contributions and help and support. Guys, we're going to zoom in real close to the surface because I found a form of life on the moon that I want to share with you all. It's real, it's up there, and don't let anyone deter you from the truth. Don't let anyone tell you anything opposite. It's the real thing. They are very bloody hard to get, but I'm ecstatic right now because the moon is filled with them. Light sources. Could it be trains we're seeing on the surface? Are they actually elevated off the surface flying, or are these vehicles? Now take a look at this. This is a UFO on the surface of the moon that was in front of us the whole shot that we've been looking. We just can't see it. And we have to look to find them. They're very, very, very hard to find. We're going to see it again. We're going to zoom in real slow. These are little lights. They're not little, but we're seeing them little, of course. They're lights that are lit up, not excessively bright. It's like they're half lit. And when they go over the dark craters, they can be seen. They have the same reflectivity as the surface, guys. This is the real thing. You know, if you want to share some UFO videos, this is a new type of UFO finding. This was never mentioned before. How is it going to go? I have no idea what the world's going to think of these videos. And I'm laughing already because the reaction is just people are dumbfounded and probably will not believe it. Here it is again. We're coming up to that UFO that's been in front of us the whole time that we're not seeing. And I'm going to get an arrow up to show you guys. It'll be a couple of centimeters at the end over top of the arrow. There it is. Just went over the dark crater. There it is again, going by over dark areas. We can see them. They're on the surface. This was in the footage of July 20th. Spread the word, guys. The moon may possibly be inhabited. Papa Francesco, over at the Vatican. How's it going, brother? Listen, you're going to have to get on the horn about this alien business and tell the world what's up there. Luciferos, your big-ass telescope is showing it all to you. So right now, if I'm catching this with my telescope and you have a big-ass telescope at the Vatican, you're lying to the people. You got to tell them some truth. People will be very mad knowing that religion is keeping this truth hidden. Yeah, I tried it. I tried it, guys. I tried being, a bit more drastic. Get my titles up a bit more eccentrically, like alien spaceships proof, all proof here. And it's not my goal. When I started this, it really wasn't my goal to start a shit up clickbait channel. What I wanted to do was to reach people, and I am, and I'm very happy for it. We're doing it ourselves, both the community and I, reaching each other without having to go through advertising and just basically using common sense. But yeah, that message I have for you, Frankie, you better get on the frickin' horn. I swear to God, you better get on the horn. And I'm sorry if I pass off for sounding unprofessional for raising the voice like that. I have to, guys, I got to try to pick a little bit to get into those heads of some of the people. And at the same time, well, at one point, the Vatican is going to realize that the truth is out. And that people are finding out what's up there. So whatever they want to do, I don't care. I just want them to tell the truth. And that's why I'm here. And they're going to know my name too. Michael Carrington. That's my name. No, it's Bruce Schwartz. And that's what I want them to understand, that I'm a good human being that's seeking truth like any good human being would do, to want to tell the world what really is out there. I'm just going to have to reorganize that system they have. Too bad. Well, I hope I haven't scared anyone off yet. So many new subscribers. Guys, we're up to 24,000. I love you all so much for the help, of getting my work out. And together, just researching and looking through the videos and all the beautiful findings. This is the area where we're finding the UFOs. We're just to the left. Look at that beautiful fault right there. 2 fault lines right there on the surface. Love looking at that. And yeah, Mare Nectaris is where I saw these UFOs going by, and not far from Theophilus and Catharina and Cyrillus crater, just east of Rupes Altai. So we're going to get in nice and close. This is a cool video. It's a really cool video, guys. We're going to get in nice and close and analyze some structuring on the surface. Objects, let's call them. You know, they're known as craters, lines of ejecta, faults, etc. Volcanic activity, whatever. I'm just analyzing the raw footage of what I'm getting and trying to share with you my findings. And something pretty cool here. These shadows are bugging me. I'm not alone in saying this. Many channels are saying it too, and I've said it in the past, and even before I've been doing this. Shadows are not all what they appear to be on the surface of the moon. Take a look at this one, for example, that is very geometrically shaped. It is a square. We'll zoom in pretty close to it to get a look at it. It's literally square. And again, we're talking about 90-degree angles, right? Corners that arrive and turn off. We see this very often on the surface of the moon, often overlooked. But that too is something proving to us that there's something built up there on the moon. Now look at it. We're going to get in close enough for us to give us an idea of its structuring. It's an object that maybe isn't black, but it's appearing black to us. Whatever they have done to it for it to look like a shadow like that, I don't know. We're looking at an area that's, you know, even if the moon is closer than what they said, it still is not exactly next door. It's a distance, because when I zoom up with the telescope, boy, that's where you see exactly how far that darn moon is.